Hey, what's up, dudes and dudettes? Brad the Fixologist here. So I've been redoing my deck on this house, pulling up a bunch of the bad boards, and this whole section was all starting to get really rotted out, and I redid these steps, changed a bunch of the underpinnings because it was all terrible. They have all of the joists going this direction in between the big 2x6s. They have smaller, like maybe 2x2s of pressure treated going in between those, but they have those going this way also. Instead of going, like this to help shore things up, they have all of it going the same direction, which is already terrible, but this takes the cake. I don't know what to say about this. So you come up these steps into the door right here. Look at this joist. First of all, you notice that it's cracked right here. And on the side here, it's cracked. See that crack? That's because it's holding on by one nail on this end. That one nail. And these nails that I've been pulling out of this deck are disintegrating. I mean, literally disintegrating. They are almost not even there anymore. That is all that's holding on whenever you step up from this step onto here. And the same story with this one. So this joist has one nail. This joist also one nail. No hangers. No hangers on the joists. No hanger on this joist. No hangers. One nail right there, supporting all the weight. Look at this. Can you see that moving? Can you see it? I don't get it. It's unbelievable. Okay, so what I ended up doing is getting my 3-ton car jack under here, getting some wood under it and jacking it up where at least it's level up here again. Sunk a big 4-inch screw in and it sucked this whole thing together, which helps a lot. Then I stuck 3 more screws in here, so this one's done. Now we're gonna move this over to this beam and jack it up too, where it's level. And I'm also checking the level as I go, and it's looking okay level wise. Also, this whole end of this board came up quite a bit. I don't know if you can tell it or not from where it was, but it's way up from where it was. So I'm going to sink some more screws into that as well to hold that. But oh my God, one nail holding this whole thing up. Unbelievable.